today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to pyramid background. We will give it some different color, light blue color. Take a rectangle and width will be 9 centimeter and 3.6 centimeter. Take another small rectangle and place it here. Okay, align middle. Yes, select and control shift and drag it on the other side of the rectangle. Select all, merge shape fragment and hold shift and select this one and delete. Okay, make it no outline. Okay, shape fill, we will give it this color. I think so, this is okay. And insert, take another rectangle at the middle of the first one rectangle. Align middle, shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, we will give it some white color. Zoom it to look and make it perfect to the edge. Bring to front. Yes, bring to front and go to gradient fill. We will give it some gradient. We should delete extra stops. Okay, I think we will take more 2 stops. Okay, and make the center one light, very light. Yes, it's okay for now. More light, I think so. And drag it by holding control shift. We will give it some shadow effect and transparency will be 70, 101, 102. Okay, 5. Blur, you will bring some text from another slide that I have typed ahead to save the time. Place it at the center of the white rectangle. It's okay. Select all, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it. Select all 3 shapes and make it at the center of the slide. Control shift and drag it. It's okay. Bring the heading to the up. We will give it some different color to the next one. It's okay. Also we will give it the gradient according to the first rectangle. Make this one more light color, that the gradient become visible. Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the gradient. This one, and select, pick this one, pick this one, and select the center. Stop and pick this one, make it more light, that the gradient will become visible. Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the gradient. Yes. Pick this one and pick this one. Yes, and now the center point, and make it the color more light, that the gradient will become visible. Control Shift C and Control Shift V. You will give it this color. It's okay. Okay. And give the center one to this color and make it more light. Control Shift C and Control Shift V. Give this one as more different color. Give the green color to all 5 stops, and make the center stop color more light to become the gradient visible. Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the gradient. 001, select, make it bold, and place it here. Control D to duplicate it. 2, place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. I think we must change the color of the fonts to white, because there are some dark color and the black color is not visible over it. I think 06, select and select, 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 select and select, and make it white. Now all the numbers are visible. We will bring some icons to the slide. Select this one, and for more we need. Okay, select this one, I think so, this one, and insert and bring it to the slide. Decrease the size of the icons by holding Shift Alt, and I think we should more decrease it. Yes, and place it here, place it here, place it here, place it here. You can insert your desired icon according to the text from these icons, and you can find your desired icons. I bring every time these icons because this is a template. when I am doing design for a client, I add these icons that are according to the text. We'll give it some shadow effect. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Select all and make it at the center of the slide, and bring also this text. You can add more text at the end of the slide. Thank you for watching.